I think it's 4 or 5. We shall start now.
Hi everyone, welcome. Could you keep your videos on? Ipshita, would you also make me the host so when I need to share screen, I'll be able to do that?
Yes, sure, I'm making it.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So whenever you want to speak, just unmute yourself and then speak, okay? And then you can put it back on mute so that when we ask questions and we are answering, we keep the, we will unmute. Otherwise, we keep the mute so that we don't have all the other noises, okay? I see so many new faces today. How nice to see all of you. Yes. Yes, Fateh Ali, you want to ask something? कुछ पूछना है आपको?
Excuse me, miss.
So if you're watching on your phone or you're joining on your phone, then a good way is, see that phone एकदम आपके सामने है. Then your whole face is visible. नहीं तो क्या होता है? हाथ पैर मुझे दिखते हैं, but I can't see your face. तो जैसे आप सेल्फी लेते समय कैसे रखेंगे ना सामने, उसको अपने सामने रख दो. उसका स्टैंड है तो स्टैंड पे रख दो, अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट. यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट कुछ बुक्स के बुक्स रख के उस पे लीन कर दो उसको.
टीचर नाही येते ऐक जरा. मॅडम
सब तैयार है? अच्छा, आज के लिए वी विल नीड some paper and some colors and pencil. Do you have that with you?
Yes.
If you don't, go and bring it now. And 2-3 sheets of paper. हाँ, आज हम काफी आर्ट और ड्राइंग करेंगे.
कलर पेन्सिल घेऊन ये. क्रेयॉन वाले कलर जा घेऊन ये. कच्ची न हे असतं ना ड्रॉइंग बुक दुसरी छोटी. अरे आणायची सध्याच्याला. लवकर ये.
हाय जयती.
Yeah, okay. I was on mute and I was speaking to you.
Sorry. How are you?
You're doing good. How are you?
Hyderabad is warm, hot.
Now it has cooled down. It has cooled down. Yeah, so other than us, everybody is new here, I guess.
I have not seen. I think that drone's iPad is a familiar one,
Okay.
but the videos are off, so you can't make out.
So the
तुला सांगते.
Yes, Ratmesh.
10 minutes past.
समोया.
Do we start at 10 minutes past 4? Or?
Good afternoon.
We'll wait perhaps for another 3-4 people to join in. Do you think? You can just start with a warm up anyway.
Because it's 10 minutes. So.
Okay. Are you all ready?
Yes, miss.
Okay. If you don't want to say and your microphone is on mute, तो आप कुछ मैं पूछूंगी तो you can show this way. How will you show? Yes के लिए thumbs up. Can you show thumbs up? Yes. So now I'll ask again. Are you ready? Very good. Very nice. Okay. So today we are going to start because we have to do many things. First, I want you all to close your eyes. एक जगह बैठ जाओ और just close your eyes. Okay. And we're going to do some humming. We're just going to center ourselves. And you can repeat or sing with me. Breathe in, just, and do. Again, breathe in. Again, we breathe in 3 times, okay? Asato ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take your time and you can just open your eyes slowly. So this is a small, it's not even a prayer, it's a small shloka which says we are asking the universe to lead us from untruth to truth. अगर हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं या हमें कुछ तो हम जो झूठी चीजें हैं वहां से सच्चे के ओर जाना चाहते हैं कि असतोमा सतगमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर. तमस मीन्स डार्कनेस. तो अगर हम अंधेरे में हैं, नॉट रियली अंधेरा विद द लाइट ऑफ, बट इफ यू नो व्हेन वी फील बैड एंड वी फील वेरी डार्क, सो फ्रॉम दैट तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय. From anything that is dark, we go towards light. Right? Mrityorma amritam gamaya. And let us be immortal. मतलब हम जितना समय भी हम जिएंगे, we will do it in this way, in the light and on the path of truth. तो अगर हम किसी भी चीज से लड़ना चाह रहे हैं या जूझना चाह रहे हैं या कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं, we have to be in the light. हम अंधेरे में नहीं रह के कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो आज का विषय है कोविड वॉरियर. यू रेड दैट? आपको मैसेज में आया कोविड वॉरियर आया?
हाँ मिस.
हाँ आया. उसका अर्थ क्या है? व्हाट्स द मीनिंग? Anybody knows? Anyone would like to say?
Miss, we have to take care of ourselves
Okay.
to fight against COVID-19.
Ah, very nice. Okay, we have to fight against. So how are we going to fight? So let us see how. First, let's start from the beginning. कोई भी चीज करते समय शुरू में. So I'm going to share my screen with you. What you have to do right now is keep your pencils, your colors, and your paper ready. Are you ready with that, everybody? Thumbs up.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Om. Very good. Om is ready. Yes, yes, Soumya, Dr. Soumya. What's your name, child? Whoever is on this, unmute and tell me your name. Drone's
Dishan.
iPad.
Yeah.
What's your name, beta?
Tushar.
My name is
Tushar.
Drone.
Drone, okay. Tushar, okay. Very nice. Such nice names you all have. So much care your parents have taken for that, right? So I'm going to share my screen. First, we're going to talk. You heard this COVID. Everybody knows what is COVID? Does everyone know? सबको पता है? हाँ, तो show me a
Yes,
thumbs
miss.
up. Oh, you know already. Okay. What is it?
Ma'am, yes, it is a virus.
Now, okay, now, it's a virus. Okay, very good. What is a virus? Yes.
Ma'am, to
Who-
avoid COVID, you have to wash your hands daily with soap.
Hmm.
And
Very good. That's a
and
very
you
good
take
point
care
you
of
got.
your body. You have to do a lot of exercising, a lot of.
Okay, very good. So let's start from the beginning. A virus क्या है? वहां से शुरू करते हैं. Okay. So I'm very happy that all of you already know about this, that you know that COVID is a virus. Okay, now let's look at what we mean by this word. ये है ही क्या बंदा? Virus क्या है? Okay. Hold on. Can you see the slide? Is my screen visible? सबको दिख रहा है?
Yes, miss.
Very nice. Okay. Now, who is a very smart person and will tell me what do I need to press so that you can only see the first slide?
Present now. Screen share.
Screen share तो हो चुका है. Next क्या करना है?
Acha,
There near the
then
page
on the
size
right,
there.
this
there's a
one, yes,
TV.
press this. Press this.
मावशी बटर पेपरच लागलेलं ना
Yeah, press this one.
Somebody's video is breaking. Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Can you see now, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Now, what is written on the screen? Will someone tell me?
Miss, can I tell?
Yes.
Tiny particles that cause diseases.
Okay. Now, the first slide again, I want to know what's written over here.
Coronavirus.
Yes. So now somebody said, very good. Somebody said tiny particles that cause diseases. Somebody's mic is very noisy. Could you just mute that, please? Yes. Tiny particles that cause diseases. Okay. How do they cause diseases, you think?
Miss, when someone cough or sneeze front of us, then
They
that
attack the
virus
immune system.
can.
Immune system, when we cough. Huh, all that is correct. Very good. But वो disease कैसे होता है? वो virus करता क्या है? वो virus क्यों हमारे अंदर कैसे आता है?
Miss,
So
by
shall we
coughing,
take a look?
Miss, when someone coughs front of us, then that virus comes and goes in our nose. It eats our cell.
Oh, it eats a cell. Okay, that is almost very good. So now, yes, most of you are right. And let's add to what we already know. A virus is a tiny particle. Can we see this tiny particle?
Yes.
You can see it?
No, miss.
It's microscopic. If it was macroscopic, then we could have seen it.
Oh, it's a microscopic. Microscopic मतलब इतना छोटा है, इतना, and not even, you know, with a regular microscope, which we have in
it's so
school, we may
tiny
see it in a lab. You need a very,
It's so-
very powerful microscope. So, as somebody said, we all know that our body is made up of also tiny particles. Do we know that? Our full body, what is our body made up of? Tiny, tiny particles. सब इकट्ठा होके it's forming your body. Yes, and that tiny particle, drone, yes, it's called a cell. So what does the virus do? It attacks the cell, and the cell is also so small we can't see it. उसके अंदर भी कुछ आ जाता है, इतना छोटा, it's so small that it comes inside your, you know, the virus, it doesn't have its own body shape. It doesn't have a cell structure of its own. So that's why it needs your cell and my cell and anybody else's cell. So usko kuch khana chahiye. It wants to grow. It wants to multiply. It wants to become more. It wants to बढ़ाओ. अपना एक पूरी दुनिया बनाना चाह रहा है वायरस. तो वो वायरस कैसे ये कर सकता है? आपके और मेरे सेल के अंदर आने के बाद, right? So what happens? Anything that is living, from plants and animals to the smallest bacterium, tiniest of the tiniest of the tiniest, virus उसके अंदर जा सकता है. और वो जब आ जाता है वायरस हमारे अंदर, so क्या होते हैं? We get some disease. So one of the most common disease caused by virus is, on the last point I have written. Will somebody read that?
Common cold.
Yes, very good. It's the common cold. You know, when we get a cold, that's also caused by a virus, right? What does the virus do? Let's see. How does the virus work? Okay. Now, see, this is the virus. We are showing it like this very nicely, but actually now this virus is coming from here. It's going into the body of the cell, and it attacks and attacks the cell, and it starts taking all its nutrition and everything from the cell. फिर आगे 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 जाके वो क्या करता है? It goes, there are many steps in the whole thing, okay? Now it goes here and then it starts multiplying. And then finally what happens? अपना सेल एकदम से खत्म हो जाता है और वायरस के बहुत से पार्टिकल्स बन जाते हैं और वो एक से अनेक वायरस हो जाते हैं. That's how it starts spreading. So once it's inside your body and it's got its food and everything, ekdam fit fat, it's set for life and it can do what it wants. But we are not going to allow that to happen. And that's why we are called warriors. We need to fight that virus. One of the viruses that came, and there are many viruses in the world today. बहुत है, दुनिया भर में बहुत हैं. इतने हैं कि हम because they cannot be seen, we don't even know how many are there. We don't even know what all their names are. We only get to know about it if somebody is working, some scientist is doing a research on something. तो वो बहुत ही specifically उसको ढूंढ रहा है तो उसको मिल जाएगा कि हाँ इस प्लांट के अंदर ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, ये वायरस के वजह से हो रहा है, चलो हम देखें ये कौन सा वायरस है. Then the scientist is able to find out. Otherwise, you and I, we are there, this air around us, do we know how many viruses are there? We don't. And thus it is that one virus, बहुत ही खतरनाक वायरस है ये, और उसका नाम है कोरोना. वो आ गया air में, came into the air. From where did it come? There are many stories. We are not going into that now. But once that virus, how did people know that this coronavirus was there? क्योंकि कोई बीमार हो गया. तो ये क्या बीमारी है ढूंढते ढूंढते, as they were wondering, that's when they realized that, अरे, this is not like the cold का virus. This is not the flu का virus. This is not the AIDS का virus. What on earth is this virus? So they used very powerful microscopes to study the virus. And then under those powerful electron microscopes, they are called, they could see that this virus is different. It has a shape. What is the shape? What is corona? It appears to wear like a crown. Corona in Latin means crown. Latin is a language, right? Latin language में corona का अर्थ क्या है? Crown. You know, crown, like kings wear. So this virus, it looks like this, you know, spikes आते हैं उससे, spike के ऊपर एक छोटा blob है, और एक spike आता है और उसके ऊपर एक blob है, एक दूसरा spike है, blob है, तीसरा spike है. You know how we draw a crown for kings when we are drawing in our books, like that? Like that. Can you make your own drawing of the coronavirus?
Yes,
Yes.
miss, I have made.
Yes.
You've made? Can you show me?
Miss, now it is not there.
I want to see it now because that's what we're going to do now.
Miss, that page is only not there now.
Hmm? You have to, so now draw. Take out your drawing books and draw right now. I want everyone to draw what they think the coronavirus looks like. As we go around and the crown, we want to see the crown and write the name below it. You can color it however you like, and then you will show it on the screen too.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
Miss, I don't have drawing book.
Then you should get any other book. You have a notebook or a paper, anything in your house?
Miss, can I draw in rough book?
Rough book may, rough book will do. You can draw in anything. You can draw in your rough book. You can draw in any old diary. Anyway, you can draw, no problem. But you need to have some book. And if you have colors, that would be really, really nice. Do you want me to show again what it looks like?
No, miss.
You can think and you can imagine. Lovely. When you finish drawing, show it like this on the screen so I can see what you've drawn. It would be really nice if you could keep your videos on. Mic off hai chalega. Video on hai to acha lagega. Oh my goodness. Aditi, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
That is really beautiful. You like to draw?
Yes, miss.
Ah, that's so, so nice. Are you going to be, you already are an artist. Which class are you, Aditi?
In 6.
In 6th standard. Okay. Yes, we have 2 minutes more to complete the drawing. Yes, Galaxy Tab A. I don't know the name. Samarth, Om, Archana, Zainab, have you finished your drawings? Bandita? Oh, that is, oh my God. What's your name?
Tushar.
Tushar. Could you please show your drawing? That is again so beautiful. Can you share it with everyone? Can you see the drawing? Oh, coronavirus. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, Tushar. That is really a good drawing. Very good drawing. Very
Thank you,
clear. Very nice outline. Everything is clear. Can you see the spikes on that virus? से sharp चीजें उसमें से आती हैं. एक ad आता था पहले, गले में खिच याद है? विक्स की गोली लो. उसमें वो खिच का ऐसा पिक्चर बनाया था. वो भी एक वायरस ही था. पोकी है. चुभता है हमें, like that. Right. Okay. Last one, countdown now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please, all of you show your drawings of the virus, please. Show it on the screen like this. Aditi, aap, Tushar, aap, कि गैलेक्सी किसका है? ड्रोन आपका हो गया?
Ma'am, I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet? Okay. Okay. How much longer do you think you'll take?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, you continue drawing and so as somebody said, and many of you were very, very clever, you said, how does it enter your body? How does the virus enter your body?
Record have this.
So the virus, it has to go from one person to another. It doesn't come alone. It needs a person. We already know it needs to live in our cells, from one person to another. So how is it going to go from one person to another? We are going to see that. For this, I want all of you, and I wonder if you were told this to keep the materials ready. You need to have some cream or oil. Do you have something nearby in your house? And if you have haldi powder, bring a pinch of haldi powder. If you have glitter like this, chamki, in your craft, you can bring. Whichever thing you have, you bring. Glitter नहीं है तो थोड़ा सा हल्दी पाउडर लेके आना, थोड़ा सा अलग से रखो. Okay. So now what are we going to do? And for this, I need your videos on, please, so that all of us are doing the same thing. Right? Let's take a little cream and put it on our hand. Little cream, oil, kuch bhi, thoda sa, ek drop. Like nice. है थोड़ा सा एक थोड़ा अपने हाथ में ले लेना, एक हाथ में. Okay, I have chamki powder. I've taken that. Can you do that? First, rub little cream. Yes, very good. Now, put little bit. Thoda sa apne haath. Very nice. Super. Very nice, beta. What's your name? Galaxy Tab A. It says, I don't know your name, child.
Miss Parikshit Rana.
Parikshit, okay. Parikshit, yeah, Parikshit is doing it. Parikshit, can you show what you did and just show your hand so everyone can see? Yeah, right? Now, I want you to rub this glitter, if you have, or haldi. Jo bhi have, dono haath mein achhe se do this like this, nicely. Rub both your hands. ब्रदर्स है आपके आस में, कोई भी है तो I want you to go to them and shake hands nicely with them. कोई भी है, call somebody and shake hands nicely. Hi, hello, how are you? I want to show them that. Okay, I'm calling my sister, okay? And she will come here and see. This is her hand, okay? And say, hi, Sugna, how are you? So nice to see you after so many days. Okay, so we have said a hi. Now, oh my God, what has happened to her hands? Can you see? Okay. Oh my God. Now see what has happened on her hands also. Chamak, 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 chamak. Did you see that when you shook hands with someone? If you put haldi, unka bhi haath yellow ho gaya. Did it happen? Achha, what do you think that means? We are talking about virus. Why are we doing this game now?
How the virus spreads?
That the haldi or the glitter virus, and when we shake hands with
Yes,
someone,
it is your virus. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, so it is the virus, right? So now if this virus is there somewhere in my body and I just say a hi or hello to someone, because we say, oh, very glad to meet you. Good afternoon. How nice to see you. And without realizing, we may shake hands or hum jhappi dete hain. Hi, we hug someone, or somebody says, oh, beta, kitne din ke baad aapse mil rahe hain, and they shake, pull your cheeks like this. Has that happened? Do people do that? Yes. Or they do this to you. Oh, so nice to see you. After so long, you've grown so much. Now, each time that happens, what is spreading? The virus is spreading from, yes, from their hand to you. Is that the only way it can spread?
it can spread through the air.
Okay. Aditi, thank you very much. It can spread through the air. Let's see how it's going to spread through the air. You have some rough paper with you. Everybody has some rough paper. Okay. In front of you, I want you to tear. See, you can see me do this. I'm tearing the rough paper into many छोटे टुकड़े बना दो उसके. Tiny bits, huh? Now rough paper, we don't have virus. No, we have to do with other things. So make the rough paper into as small pieces as you can, okay? And put it in front of you. In front of your phone or your laptop, wherever it is, you put it there, okay? For you, to show you, I will put it on my book so you can see what I'm going to do and you'll do the same thing. You can keep it like this on a book also. Yes. Parikshit, everybody has this? Okay, everyone has done this? You got little pieces of paper on this? Oh yes, Samarth, very nice. The virus ka picture, very beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, great. Keep the picture, okay, because next to it, we are going to draw some other thing after this. Okay, now please tear little bits of paper and keep it in front of you. Everyone, I'd like to see everyone like this. Pratmesh, Bandita, Archana, Troy, Diksha. If your videos are on, that would be really nice. Yes, छोटे-छोटे टुकड़े बना के अपने सामने ऐसे रख दो. Tiny bits. Now, okay. Tearing, paper tearing is done. If you finish, show me a thumbs up. Achha, people are still tearing papers, yes. Normally we tear so much paper, right? Yes. Very nice, Aditi. Diksha, very good. Can you hold it here in front of you like this? Okay. A bad cold, I've got a cough, and I'm sneezing and coughing. So, hush! What did you see? What happened to the paper? Okay, I'm doing again. Happen? Try it, try it. Keep this in front of you and do hatch.
Yeah, now it's all right.
Sorry?
Your video was frozen for some time. Now it's all right.
Okay. Okay, now now I've got a bad cold and I hatch. What happened to the paper?
It flew.
Okay, can you try it? Try doing the same thing. Do hachu on your paper and see what happens. Ud gaya. Where did it fly? All around you?
Yes.
Did it fly all around you? So now again, this paper is supposed to represent the virus. Okay? Right? The paper is supposed to represent the virus. Now, imagine if around you there were many people, you're sitting in school, in the class, next to you on the bench, there's somebody, on this side your friend is standing, and all of you are talking to so many people, what would have happened? This paper would have touched everybody?
Yes, miss.
तब क्या होता? सबको क्या हो जाता फिर?
Virus.
सबके अंदर वायरस आ जाता, right?
Yes, I'm finished.
Finished? Yes. Do hachu and see. It's going to be great fun. You can show many people. If they don't listen also, we can use this. Do hach. You know, sneezing, just like that, open. Hach. And you'll see how it spreads.
Ma'am?
All over you.
Ma'am, I finished.
Everywhere.
I finished.
Yes. Finished. You sure? It spread? Did it spread? Oh, your virus is there. Oh my God. What a wicked face he has. Beautiful drone. Beautiful. Beautiful. So many talented artists among you. Draw very well. Very clear pictures also, right? So what have we seen now? We see that this glitter, which was our virus, paper, which was our virus, it's spreading. The first time, how did it spread?
Spread through touch.
Spread through? Anybody else wants to say? How did it spread? Samar? कैसे स्प्रेड हुआ वो पहले बार जब हम ऐसे करते किसी को हैंडशेक करते हैं तो
By coughing and sneezing.
by coughing and sneezing. हाँ, second time by coughing and sneezing, right? तो ये दो तरीके हैं जिससे वायरस स्प्रेड होता है. एक जब हम छूते हैं हाथ से, ओके, और हमारे हाथ गंदे हैं और हम किसी के हैंडशेक करते हैं, किसी चीज के ऊपर हाथ रखते हैं, when we touch it. Or when we cough and sneeze, but we don't cover our mouth. Right? Both times, as you can see, the virus spreads. And if it spreads, it will attack somebody else. That was one of the reasons. All these, during this time, this virus started spreading. So when it spreads from person to person to person, we say it is contagious. What is the word used? I would like everyone to open out your mics and repeat. Contagious.
Contagious.
Yes.
Contagious.
Very good. So contagious. So the coronavirus is one virus which spreads like this by touching and when you cough and sneeze and from person to person. So when another person coughs in front, suppose you were standing where all this paper was there, you would have also become sick. Right? So these are the two main ways that it spreads. That is the reason the whole world, can you imagine? It's such a tiny virus and people didn't know. So somebody is coughing, some without realizing, I'm talking to virus has come out. Like this, it has started spreading. Ek se dusra, dusre se teesra, teesre se chautha,
You can avoid it. You can avoid coughing and sneezing.
You can't avoid the coughing, but you can, if you want to cough, you will cough. No? खांसी आ रही है तो उसको कैसे बंद करो?
Listen, but listen. You can actually do this. When you cough, you can do.
Very good. Exactly.
When you sneeze, you can do it too.
Yeah. So you cover this. So it stays there. You know?
Wear mask.
Now suppose the paper is here, okay? And again, I feel like sneezing. Okay, see, I'm doing. क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ ना? वो spread नहीं होगा. This is a proof of that, right? So it spread and it spread and it spread. It spread all over the world, not just in India. It spread in every country on the globe. Every
I remember
country.
it started from China.
It started from China.
First.
Yes, it started from China. Where else did it go? Can you name some countries where it went?
India, every single actually.
So name me the country. Every is not the name of a country.
Australia.
Very good. One at a time. Australia. Okay, Pratmesh. Very good. Anyone else?
US,
America, Samat. Very good. America, US में गया था. और कहाँ?
China.
China. Okay. And Brazil. Yes. Very good. And
India,
India. Very good. Any other countries? England.
UK.
UK, right? UK, New Zealand,
Mumbai, Kapolo.
कोरिया, थाईलैंड, यू नेम अ कंट्री, वहां पे ये कोरोना ऐसे स्प्रेड हो गया. हवा से जा रहा है ना, जैसे ये पेपर स्प्रेड होता है, जैसे वो ग्लिटर स्प्रेड होता है, इट वेंट एवरीवेयर एंड lots and lots and lots and lots of people started becoming sick. And what happens when the virus enters your body, this coronavirus, once it enters, it starts with your nose. So you start by getting a slight cold, cough. You feel like जैसे cough, cold cough होता है, flu हो जाता है, same kind of feeling. But eventually and most often, वो अपने आप से ठीक भी हो जाता है.
Can COVID enter things? Like, can it enter things?
No, it doesn't enter things, but it stays on top. You know, like if this is your COVID, if it hasn't gone, it stays on the top here. But you can't see it because it's microscopic, right? But it's just there. It's waiting. It can stay for a few hours, 5 to 8 hours. But if so it can't enter things, but it stays on top of things. So that is one of the reasons we say wash things and wash our hands. So this disease spread all over. When it spreads all over the world, a disease that spreads all over the world, a condition like that is called a pandemic. What's it called?
Pandemic.
Pandemic, yeah. Many places epidemic, but whole world it's called a pandemic. मतलब पूरी दुनिया में एक जगह नहीं रही, एक जगह नहीं छूटा जहां पे वायरस नहीं है. हर जगह गया है पर हर कोई बीमार नहीं होता है. Right? Not everybody becomes sick. Some people didn't get the virus, it didn't enter their bodies. Some people, but when that happened, there was a lockdown, schools were shut, can't go down to play. Do you remember? Is it still like that for you, where you are?
Because, ma'am, even if COVID wasn't there, we all would be in the boarding school by now.
Yes, so you can't go to school. You have to stay at home. How did that make you feel?
Obviously, it's been almost 1 or 2 years, so it's been a little boring.
So can you just, or next to your virus, can you just draw an emoji to show how you feel? Do you feel bored? Do you feel sad? Do you feel scared? You can write it also. Write one word. How did it make you feel? You can put it on the chat also. when the lockdown was announced, and after that also, so many months and years, it looks like so many years. How does that make us feel? Angry, yes. Why do we feel angry? Oh yes, some Pratmesh, are you crying? Sad. Aditi is feeling sad. Yes. Anyone else? I would like everyone to tell me, how did it make you feel? Dhruv, yes. Bored, yes, he was bored, sad, angry, and what else? कैसा लगा? Sad. दीक्षा को भी sad लगा. क्यों sad लगा हमें?
Because we couldn't go out. Oh boy, this is bad.
Sad, yes. You can't go out, yes. Anything else? Samarth also is feeling
Ma'am.
sad. Huh?
Ma'am, this is quite bad. My battery is 21%. It's very low.
Okay, you can charge it. Plug it into a charger.
No, even if it's charged, it still goes.
You may need to ask a parent to check that. Many families are suffering, Diksha says. How are they suffering? Would you like to share that?
My dad actually had COVID once.
Can someone share? How do we feel people are
My dad
suffering?
actually had COVID once, ma'am.
Oh, yes. So that was Drone feeling bad. His dad had COVID. And how did you feel at that time, Drone?
Obviously, I was like a little far from him. We were in
Yeah.
the same house, but very far from each other.
Yeah, but how did you feel? How did you feel? What did
Sad.
it make you feel? It made you feel sad?
Closed.
Sad, yes. Anything else? Angry, scared that you may have it. Oh, Jyoti said she feels scared that she may have it. Did anyone feel scared?
My school is closed. My father's company is closed.
Oh my God.
Transport, business are closed.
Businesses, and you can't meet your family. Yes. And what else?
An instance, you're like,
Yes.
is that
I
Yes. Samarth, you wanted to say something?
yeah, instance your family goes for a vacation and they just wanted to just have some alone time.
my hotel is
So then
The hotel is closed. Yeah, that's a really sad thing, no? And you feel helpless, ना? लगता है कि हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं क्या करूं? You want to help. You want to help your parents. You want to help people. If your friend is sick, can you go and visit them? You can't go. Yes. You can't go. Yes. You can't meet your family. You feel scared. Yes. How else do you feel? So when we are feeling sad and we're feeling angry and we're feeling scared, how will we become strong? What is it that we can do to become strong?
social distance,
1 moment.
distance, 2 distance,
Yes.
6 feet distance, 2 meters
Yes.
distance, wear mask, wash your hands,
Yes.
get the vaccination,
Yes.
go
Very
for
good.
vaccination.
make
Okay.
strong. We have to
Okay. So now can we give others a chance also to say a few things, right? So what are we going to look at? How does it spread and what can it do? See, as I told you, pandemic, it's all over the world. Can you see the whole world has got this COVID? It comes when it into your body. You may take like a cough, fever, सांस लेने में कभी कभी दिक्कत हो सकता है, कभी कभी. But don't worry. Most often, you will get better. 99.9, and as children, you really don't have to worry. You have to just make sure that, as many of you were saying, all these words that are new to us in this time, right? Why don't we have to worry? Because
But ma'am,
scientists have been working very hard to make a vaccine, and they have. If you're
Ma'am,
above
when
the
you-
age of 18,
when you
Drone, please wait. If you're above the age of 18, you have to
Yeah.
get vaccinated. If you know anybody who's 18 and above, and if they haven't taken the vaccine, there's a whole system in place for it, right? And we have to ensure that all of us, if we are 18 and above, we take the vaccine. That's definitely there. At the same time, what we need to do, exactly what you said. What did you have to say? Can you read this?
wash your hands, wear
Yes.
your face mask covering, and keep your distance.
Yes, 3 things that we have to do. Wash our hands, which anyhow we wash our hands, है ना? खेलते हैं तो हाथ धोते हैं, खाने से पहले हाथ धोते हैं, छींकते हैं तो मुंह बंद करते हैं तो हाथ धोते हैं, right? So we just keep ensure that we keep washing our hands. ऐसा नहीं कि कोविड के वजह से ही हम हाथ धोते, पहले भी धोते थे, अब वो ध्यान से वो ध्यान में रख के we keep washing our hands. Yes, does anyone want to ask something? Which is great. We do wash our hands. Yes. Does everyone have a mask? All of you have masks?
Yes,
सबके पास mask है? Right?
Yes.
बाहर जाते समय अगर नीचे भी जाएंगे थोड़े समय के लिए तो हम मास्क पहन के ही जाना है. Why? Because like we were showing now how the
We have
virus
to,
should not spread. So you wear the mask.
we have to carry a sanitizers.
Yes, you can carry sanitizers. Yes, but the best thing is to wash your hands. अगर पानी है तो वो सबसे अच्छी बात है. That's the best thing. It's better than any sanitizer, anything. But with all this, we have to be warriors, right? So what do we have to do? If we have to be warriors, we are going to make a plan. Now, please take out your books, everyone. And this is a space where I don't want anyone to not do anything. We are making a wellness plan, right? So please write in your book on the top. Let us make, it's called a wellness plan. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Wellness plan. And this plan, I want you to see it. You are going to write in this all the things that make you feel good. Okay. So you write on the top a wellness plan, and then you divide your page into 4 parts, 4 columns. Can we do that?
Ma'am, I have to go. My battery is getting very low.
Sure, sure. Thank you, Drone. Thank you for being there. Please take care.
Bye.
Bye. Please take
You
care.
too. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day.
So can we just write what we are going to do? Wellness plan में हमें क्या करना है? Can you write your 4 columns? Okay, page बना दो. Page के अंदर 4 columns बना दो. Like this. Like I've made 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Things that make me feel good. So the first thing I want to write
What we
is
have to write?
wellness plan. WELLNESS. Can you see this? Wellness plan. Well means staying safe and staying healthy. Wellness plan. We are going to be well. We have to fight the virus. तो fight मतलब थोड़ी ना हम हाथ में पिस्तौल लेके भागेंगे. हम fight कैसे करेंगे? अपने आप को strong बना के. You will keep yourself strong. You will keep yourself healthy. Because when we feel sad and when we feel angry and we don't take care of our health, then the virus says, oh, this person is not very strong. This person is weak. I can go into his cell. I will eat everything from there. We are not going to do that. First, we're going to cover our masks. We're going to wear. We're going to wash our hands. We're going to maintain a distance. So the virus has no space to come. Secondly, if the virus even manages to come a little near you, what are you going to do? The food, healthy food that you will eat. Can you make a list of healthy food that you'll eat? What is your healthy food? Can someone share with me?
Fruits and vegetables.
Fruits, okay. So write one below the other. Fruits, vegetables. You can draw also pictures if you want. Fruits.
Miss, we have to write number one. We have to write, no?
However, see, I have made it like this, like a drawing. So I've written like healthy food I like to eat. That's your first column. Healthy food you like to eat. You can draw later also. You can complete your plan even later if you want. But I want you to really take time and think about this and write the headings. The healthy food, write at least 2 things, fruits, vegetables. You also need to have a lot of protein to keep yourself strong. So protein में क्या है? Protein में we are going to have दाल, अंडा, दूध, और फिर जिसको चिकन अच्छा लगता है या मटन जिसके घर में खाते हैं, प्रोटीन खाओ खूब सारा, ये बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए. So first thing, you take care of your body.
Ma'am, I have 2 gadgets actually.
Okay, cool. Glad you joined, right? So we're making a wellness plan, Drone, and you can make it this way if you like or in any other way. But we have to have first the healthy food. The second is exercises that you can do even when you're inside. If you can't go down to play, I want you to write exercises I can do indoors. What exercises can you do? Can someone share with me?
Book sound.
Yoga.
Yoga. Oh, very good. Anything else?
Miss, in this period of COVID-19, we have to do exercise of breathing.
Ah, that was excellent. You do breathing exercises. Very nice. Why will you do breathing exercises?
Miss, because of that our chest be healthy.
Lungs, yes. Your lungs
Lungs.
become strong, right? So how will you do a good breathing exercise? How we started in the beginning by humming. Take
Miss,
a
we
deep
have to
breath
close
in,
our
breathe
one
out. Yes, close one nostril. Breathe in,
and
breathe out. Breathe in, count to 8, breathe out. So we have yoga, we have breathing exercises. Any other exercises we can do? Can we do skipping?
yes, Miss, skipping. With
Hopping.
skipping, we can our height grows.
Yes. Can you do hopping? Inside the
Miss,
house?
jumping.
Yes, very good. You can skip, you can hop, you can jump.
Jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks, yes. Stretches, you can stretch.
Miss, sleeping exercises.
Sleeping, yes. That you lie down, you can do push-ups.
Miss, while sleeping, if we sleep on our chest, then
It's better, yes.
yes, Miss.
Yes. You can also dance. Do you like to dance?
Miss, we can do stretching exercises.
Yes, stretching. Can you also dance?
Yes, Miss.
Dancing is a very good way because you can have fun too. You can put on the songs that you like and you just move with that. That would be fun.
Yes, Miss.
Right? So that is the second part, the food you eat, the exercises you do. Next, the third thing I want you to write is books you can read. Not just school books.
Miss, we can read story tales.
Yes, you can read many story books. So I would like you to write the name of 1 or 2 books that you can read, and you can fill up many more after that. I also would like it. Can you see my wellness plan on this, on the screen? Can you see the drawing? So I would like you to draw something on, near your food, near your exercise. Make a small drawing and then you can share that. You can share that with Skippin.
What do I do, ma'am?
You take a piece of paper. It can be in your rough book or a drawing paper. You can write on the top wellness, my wellness plan. It's for you. Sabko wahi karna hai, that's not necessary. It's for you. But in this 3 main things we are looking at, the healthy food you can eat, the exercises that you can do indoors, and finally, the books that you can read. That's these three things definitely we fill in. After that, if you still have some time and space, you can think of what else you can do indoors, what activities you like to do inside the house. Would you like to plant something? Do you have a space in your house where you can plant something?
Camera.
Is there, yeah, would you like to?
Carom games.
Carom games, yes, lot of games are there that you can play. Pictionary, Scrabble,
Chess. Ludo.
chess, Ludo. So please write all these things down and make little drawings here.
Yes, we should play mind games like business.
Oh, you can play any game, beta. Each one would like different things, no? You may want to play a mind game. Someone may want to just play a fun game. Both are okay. You do what you feel happy. Now, when you eat something like this, and when you play games well, and you can read something, now how do you think you will feel? Would you still be sad?
No, you won't.
May not completely be happy, but you'll definitely be better, right? Because we have to make ourselves better. You will be better than feeling sad, right? Because when you are healthy, you can help someone who's not well, right? There are many ways of helping. Today we can't go and visit someone, but you can talk on the phone. You can do a video call. You can do a WhatsApp call. You can say something nice. But अगर आपका भी mood बहुत खराब है तो आप क्या बोलेंगे किसी को? Hi, hello. हाँ, तबीयत ठीक नहीं. हाँ, मेरी भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं. Okay, bye. You don't want to do that. And say, hi, I'm sorry you're not feeling well. Eat something nice. Take care of your health. I will wish for you. I will pray that you heal well. Right? That's where we are. So that's how you become a COVID warrior. You need to take care of yourself and do the things that make you feel good. For that, you have to take care of yourself physically first. Can you listen to music? Do you all like to watch movies? Are there lots of films that you watch?
Yes, miss.
So you can watch movies that you like, right? You may not always enjoy all the online classes. Sometimes you get bored. So take a break, drink something healthy, ask your parents, eat something, eat a fruit. You said fruits and vegetables, whatever fruit you like, whatever you can have at home, eat something. Once you are feeling well on the inside, you will look well on the outside. Right? Read something, talk to a friend every day. I know that we can't go and meet all our friends we have, but we can definitely talk to them every day. Talk to your close friends. Stay in touch with them. You can email cards, you can email drawings, right? On WhatsApp, you can send a picture that you like. You can take a picture of what you're looking at and send it to someone. Say, hey, listen, this is what I can see from my window. What can you see from your window? Right? So these are small things that we can do that will make us the warriors. And then the virus is going to say, oh my God, these people can't go near all these bachas. They are very, very healthy. They're doing breathing exercises. They're doing other exercises. They're eating healthy. They're talking to everyone. They're speaking to all their friends. So now we can't do this. I'm going away from here. So what will the coronavirus say? It'll say, bye, I'm leaving you, bye, bye. And it vanishes from here. And that's what's going to happen. So will you make your wellness plan? Yes, everybody?
Yes, miss.
Yes. And will you share it?
Yes.
Will you share it on WhatsApp? Will you share it with the Spottle team or the Skippin team? Please share it with them. Jyoti, is there a way they can share it? Right? So share it with them. And with that, we say, bye for today. Like, I will see you all later. Right? Are you good to go? Drone, you're looking sad now, beta. Something's bothering you? Your back is hurting?
So,
So yeah, just do the stretch, everyone. Stretch your hands above your head like this. Stretch. Yeah. Straight. Your elbows have to be straight. Elbows straight. Join both your hands on the top. And now let's hum again. We bring your hands back down. Thank you all very much. And see you all. Bye Aditi. Bye Drone. Bye Parikshit. Bye Samat. Thank you all very much. Bye Pratmesh.
Bye, teacher.
Bye dears. Bye all of you. Stay well. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And bye. Stay happy. Smile, smile, smile.
Excuse me, ma'am.